Hey folks, I'm Stu.
And Dee Dee.
And we are the Little House of Beans. And today we are super excited to share with you a big giveaway. Why, do you ask, that we're doing a giveaway? We just passed 2,000 subscribers, and we thought every 1,000 subscribers we'd do a giveaway. So we're going to do a giveaway slash contest. And we're going to show you what we're going to give away first, and then we'll talk about how you can enter this contest. Now, I will say that we did not buy this. This was gifted to us from the good folks at Omnia. However, we don't work at Omnia. We're not sponsored by Omnia, but they do send us product that we can give to you. We've always paid for our own products. So anything they give to us, we give to you. First prize, Omnia Oven. What else, Vanna? Also in the first prize, the cookbook. You gonna do the 3D sound?
Yep.
And last but not least, as part of the first prize, the Omnia Oven Thermometer.
Nice.
You didn't do the sound. So that will be first prize. But wait, there's more. Second prize will be a product that we did buy with our own money. This is a STYYL 3-piece silicone separator. So these 3 pieces here, these 3 pieces will fit inside the Omnia oven perfectly, and you can make a 3-course meal if you want, or you could make 3 different types of cakes. Either way, this is not an Omnia product. However, lots of people use them, lots of people like them, and we have a few of them we can give away. So this is the second prize, along with the Omnia Oven, what do you call this? Ah, it's an apron. Is it an apron in 3D?
Apron.
Apron in 3D?
Yeah.
So the second prize will be the silicone separators with the apron. But wait, there's more. Third prize will be the Omnia Thermometer 3D. And along with all those prizes, we're going to give away some bean swag. So we have a couple of refrigerator magnets, or I guess you could put a magnet anywhere. We have some Little House of Bean pens and some Little House of Beans beer koozie, because there's nothing better than having a beer with Stu and Edie.
And Mozart and Chopin.
So all 3 prizes will get some of the bean swag. So how, do you ask, do I enter this contest, and how do I win some of these prizes? First and foremost, no purchase necessary. All the rules to this giveaway slash contest will be in the description below. So how do you enter this contest, you might ask? Let's tell them.
Well, Pat.
Okay, Vanna. First and foremost, you must be a subscriber of this channel. Secondly, in the comments below of this video, we'd like you to say, blondes have more fun. Ooh. Who's the better blonde? And lastly, I need you to include you will also pick up the cost of the shipping, no matter where you are in the world, including Tuscany.
There are no apartments in Tuscany.
Yeah, you know the other day how you mentioned that there were no houses available in Tuscany?
You didn't find one, did you?
We're well aware that there are no apartments available in Tuscany. However, if you do live there, we will ship to you. If you are international, we will ask you to pick up whatever taxes there are, or VAT, or any of that nonsense, but we will pick up the shipping. The way we will pick our winners is we'll take all the comments in this video that you put in there, and we'll use a random comment picker. And I will videotape that as well once we figure out the winners. The contest will begin as soon as we post this video to YouTube. This contest will end on Sunday, September 25th, and we will announce the winners on Monday, the 26th. And that will be announced on our Facebook group, Omnia Oven Stovetop Fans. This is what it looks like when you do your searching. It's an open group, so there's no approvals required. Oh, you want to do 3D? So on the 26th, we will announce the winner on that Facebook group page. Let's do a quick recap. First place, first prize of the 3 drawings: Omnia Oven, Omnia Cookbook, and Omnia Oven Thermometer. This is your first prize.
Second prize.
Second prize will be the 3-piece silicone separators made by STYYL, as well as the Omnia Oven Apron. Second prize. Last but not least, third prize will be the Omnia Thermometer, and everybody will get some bean swag with their prizes. So again, this is our way of thanking all our subscribers, all 2,000 plus of you, for sticking with us, for inspiring Edie to make new recipes, as well as draw on all her travels and all her experiences as sous chef and assistant executive chefs. Edie has cooked all over the world, and occasionally pulling from her mom's recipes too, which are really, really good. So, from the Little House of Beans, I thank you. I'm Stu.
I'm Edie. We appreciate all of you.
Should we give them that kiss goodbye thing?
Oh, like Vanna and Pat?
Yeah. Good luck, winners.